Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about Etsy slime shop reviews. And I'm going to be talking about how slime or selling slime on Etsy is a little bit of a trend right now. So guys, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to build an impactful online business, consider subscribing to my channel today. I upload weekly videos on how to be successful online, so make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Now, lately, I've been doing a lot of research trying to find a new project or something new that I could do to increase my wealth. And I've been doing a lot of research and I came across slime. I've never purchased a slime, so I went ahead and bought two today. But what it seems like is very, very trending, not only on Etsy, but different platforms. But I wanted to bring it to you guys attention in case this is something that you already do or you did done it before. Maybe you know how to do slime. This is a really, really great video to showcase 6 different stores that are killing it on Etsy with very little listings basically, and all they sell is slime. So I kind of wanted to open your eyes that sometimes there are other avenues that you could do on Etsy besides maybe the norm that everybody else does. Now, I'm not saying that this is easy to make because after I watched a couple videos to see how you make slime. It does seem a bit complicated, so I don't think this is going to be for everyone. But I did want to show you these 6 different stores that are making a killing to see if this is something that you guys would like to do as a business. It's definitely something that I'm considering myself. But I will need to get myself more educated on how to create the slime and how to create beautiful slime on top of that. And what are the elements and what should I be selling? I have no idea. But what I do know is that creating slime and selling it on Etsy is very, very popular. So this is the first store that I came across. It's called My Slime Shack, and they've been open since 2017, and they have 46 listings only. 20 of them is slime, the other 25 is slime supplies, and they have sold 6,000 sales. I think that's pretty good for only having 20 slime products. And as you can see, look how many people have stuff in their cart. So over 20 people have this one in their cart. Over 15 people. So these are all potential customers that if they start sending coupons back to these people, that they could start increasing their sales. And look how many favorites they have in their store, over 3,000. So if this store took it a little bit more serious and started adding more products, every single time that they add a product, 3,000 people is going to get notified. So that's more eyes for their store. So we're having only 46 items and 6,000 sales. That's really, really impressive. So that's one of the stores. The next store I wanted to show you is called Artistic Slimus. And they also have a massive sale. They actually have more than the previous one. They opened in 2017. They have 38,000 sales. That is crazy to me. They only have 25 products. And they have over 4,000 reviews, and they have over 13,000 people that favor their store. That is crazy to me. Now, their products do look really, really cute. Like this one here is a strawberry birthday cake, and it's really, really adorable if it ever opens up. Let's see. Let's load it up back over here. They have cotton candy. They have orange creamsicle. Who wouldn't like to play with that? It's so pretty. But this just shows you that these stores are making a killing by selling slime. Who would have thought of that, right? Slime. And it's pretty slime, obviously, as you guys could see. So the page never opened for me. Sorry about that. But as you could see, they're really, really nice. I mean, disbelief that they only have 25 items and sold that much. This is another store that I came across. It's called Bliss Bomb. And as you can see, they've been open since 2015, and they got 27,000 sales with 5,000 people that favor their store, over 2,000 reviews. And again, as you can see, their slime is really cute. They only have 37 slimes, and then they have fragrances. They have box kits that you could buy and the supplies that you could buy, which are like activators to make it softer and other things that you could get. But it was really, really cute. I love this one. I love this one with the unicorn. But it's just so cute. So I just wanted to show you guys a different avenue that maybe you could start doing or consider learning to learn a new hobby. You could do this as a hobby and then take it from there and turn it into a business maybe. This is another store. It's called Slime Time. They've been open since 2018, so last year they got over 17,000 sales. They have cotton candy, pink lemonade, that's really cute. They have funfetti frosting. They have bubble bath fish bowl, that's really cute. But as you can see, they're really, really adorable. And they only also have 81 products. Out of the 81, about half of that is slime and everything else is, oh no, they have other slime, so never mind. Majority of them is slime. But as you can see, they're killing it in sales for being a store that's been open less than a year. This is another store. It's called Slime and Co. They've been open since 2017. Have 24,000 sales. Over 4,000 people like their store, and they only have 20 products. Now, the other pictures look a little nicer than this store, but the fact that they have that many sales with only 20 items, and the pictures are, they're okay. They probably have great products, but the pictures are just decent. They're not like amazing. It just shows you the fact that selling slime on Etsy is a trending thing right now. I don't know if it's always been like that, and I never paid attention to it before, but noticing it now that I've been doing research on it is very, very popular. And I wanted to show you guys, like I said a few minutes ago, a different method of selling on Etsy. Now, I'm not saying this is easy because I have no idea how to make slime. I'm just saying it is an idea that maybe if you do learn how to make it and you enjoy doing it and you do a really good job with it, you could start a business selling slime on Etsy, on your own website, or all the different platforms. So just wanted to showcase you guys some stores that I found that are doing a killing on Etsy. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you leave a comment below. Let me know if you ever thought about selling slime, if you never heard of this before like I haven't. So just leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.